first driving lesson. Okay, Emma, are you ready?
I think so, but I'm a little nervous.
That's normal. It's your first driving lesson.
Yes, please be patient with me.
Don't worry. I'm a very calm teacher.
Really? Mom says something different.
Hey, I am calm. Most of the time.
We will see.
First, start the car.
Okay. Like this?
Yes, good.
Oh, the car is moving.
That's good. It means you are driving.
Dad, I know that.
Okay. Now drive slowly.
I am driving slowly.
Good. Very good.
Are you nervous?
No. Why?
Because you are holding the door very tight.
I'm just comfortable like this.
Sure, Dad.
Okay, turn left here.
Left. Wait, which one is left?
The other left.
Oh, okay.
Good. You did it.
That was stressful.
Driving is easy.
Easy for you.
Watch the road.
I am watching the road.
And the mirror.
And the mirror.
And the speed.
Dad, I only have 2 eyes.
Good point.
Am I doing okay?
Yes, you are doing very well.
Really?
Yes, I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Dad.
Just don't hit that tree.
What tree?
I'm joking. Relax.
Dad, that's not funny.
Okay. Let's stop the car here.
Done.
Great job.
So, am I a good driver now?
Not yet.
Dad?
But you are a very good beginner.
That's good.
Next lesson tomorrow?
Maybe. After I recover from today.
Daily routine. Good morning, Alex. You look tired today.
Good morning, Emma. Yes, I am a little tired.
Did you sleep badly?
Not really. I just wake up very early now.
Really? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 every day.
Wow, that's early. Why do you wake up so early?
Because I have a new job. I start work at 7:30.
Oh, I didn't know that. Congratulations.
Thank you.
What do you do in the morning before work?
First, I take a shower. Then I make coffee.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I do. I usually eat toast and eggs.
That sounds nice. Do you have time to relax in the morning?
Not really. After breakfast, I get dressed and leave the house.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
That's not bad. What do you do after work?
After work, I go home, cook dinner, and watch some TV.
Do you go to bed early?
I usually go to bed at 11.
That's a good routine.
I think so too. I just need a little more sleep.
Planning a family vacation. Emma, do you have a minute?
Sure, Dad. What's up?
I want to talk about our vacation.
Oh, great. I love talking about vacations.
Me too. We need to decide where to go.
Yes. Did Mom say anything?
Yes, she did. She said she would love to go to Barbados.
Barbados? That sounds nice.
Yes, she has wanted to go there for a long time.
What about you? Where do you want to go?
Honestly, I don't mind. I just want a nice family trip.
That's fair.
What about you? Do you have a dream place?
Yes, I always wanted to go to Hawaii.
Hawaii is beautiful.
I know, the beaches look amazing.
Yes, they do.
But if this is a family vacation, maybe we should think about Mom.
What do you mean?
Maybe we can surprise her.
A surprise?
Yes, we can tell her we are still thinking.
And then?
And then we book a trip to Barbados.
That's a great idea.
I think she will be very happy.
Yes, she will love it.
What about Jack and Lily?
Your brother and sister? I think they will like it too.
Beaches, sun, swimming?
And good food.
Sounds perfect.
Should we start looking at hotels?
Yes, let's do it.
Maybe we can find a nice hotel near the beach.
That would be amazing.
Okay, let's plan a surprise for Mom.
She will be so excited.
I can already see her smile.
This will be the best family vacation. Talking about a concert. I'm really happy today.
Really? Why?
I finally got concert tickets
Nice. For what band?
for Coldplay.
Oh, I know the name, but I don't know their music.
Really?
Yes. What kind of music do they play?
It's pop.
Sounds good.
I love their songs.
When is the concert?
Next month,
Where is it?
in London.
That's great.
Yes, I'm very excited.
Are you going with friends?
Yes, with my best friend.
Nice. Is it a big concert?
Yes, very big.
I think concerts like that are fun.
They are.
What is your favorite song?
I love Yellow.
I don't know that song.
You should listen to it.
Maybe I will.
What kind of music do you like?
I like rock music.
Any bands?
I like Imagine Dragons.
Oh, I know them.
Their concerts are great.
I would like to see them live.
Maybe one day.
Do you go to concerts often?
Not very often.
Why not?
Tickets are sometimes expensive,
That's true.
but concerts are a great experience.
Yes, they are.
I hope you have a great time.
Thank you. I'm sure I will.
Talking about weekend plans. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Adam.
How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm good too. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I do.
What are you doing?
I'm going to visit my parents.
Oh, nice. Do they live far away?
Not very far. About 1 hour from here.
That's good.
Yes, I visit them quite often.
What are you going to do there?
We are having a family barbecue.
That sounds great.
Yes, I'm really looking forward to it.
Who will be there?
My parents, my brother, my sister, and my grandparents.
Nice. That sounds like a big family meeting.
Yes, it will be nice to see everyone.
I like family barbecues.
Me too. What about you?
I'm going to the cinema.
Oh, nice. With friends?
Yes, with 2 friends.
What movie are you going to see?
A new action movie called Shadow Mission.
I don't know that movie.
It looks interesting.
Do you like action movies?
Yes, I do.
I prefer comedies.
Comedies are good too.
What time is the movie?
At 7 p.m.
Nice.
And after that, we may get something to eat.
That sounds like a good evening.
Yes, I think so.
I hope the weather is good for the barbecue.
Me too.
If it rains, it will be difficult.
Let's hope for sunshine.
Yes,
Have a great weekend.
you too.
See you on Monday.
See you. Monday at work. Hi, Tom.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
I'm okay. I don't like Mondays.
Me neither. Mondays are difficult.
Yes, it's hard to start the week.
How was your weekend?
It was great.
Really? What did you do?
On Saturday morning, I cleaned my apartment.
Oh, that's a lot of work.
Yes, but then I went shopping.
Nice. What did you buy?
Just some clothes and food. And in the afternoon, I met my friend.
That sounds fun.
Yes, we had coffee and talked a lot.
What about Sunday?
I rested at home. I watched a movie.
Oh, really? Which movie?
The Greatest Showman. It was very good.
Nice. I haven't seen that one yet.
You should watch it.
I will.
What about you? What did you do?
On Saturday morning, I went to the gym.
Oh, that's healthy.
Yes. In the evening, I met my friends at a bar.
That sounds fun.
Yes, we had a few drinks and talked.
Nice.
On Sunday, I went to my parents' house.
Oh, really?
Yes, we had lunch together.
That's nice. So we both had busy weekends.
Yes, but fun.
I agree.
I hope this week is not too hard.
Me too.
Let's have a coffee later.
Good idea.
See you then.
See you.